Hello, friends. Today I will be talking about women cricket. Indian women team is on a tour to England right now, and they have already played one Test match series and three ODI series, and now very soon three match T20 series is also going to start. So in my video, I am going to talk about the one Test match and three ODIs which have already occurred there. And this video is especially for those viewers who may be interested in women cricket, but they haven't been able to follow it. So I'm going to tell you the complete story of each match with the top performers in each match. So let's start with first of all the test match. The first and the only test match of this tour occurred between July 16th to July 19th. This was a 4 day test match in women cricket. Test matches are of 4 day. In this match, there were five debutants from India: Deepti Sharma, Pooja Vastrakar, Shafali Verma, Sneha Rana, and Tania Bhatia. And one debutant was also from England, Sophia Dunkley. In this match, England won the toss and elected to bat. I will also tell you the scorecard and the top performers in this match. You can see on the screen. In this match, England batted first. They won the toss and they scored 396 for 9 declared. Their top performers were opener Tammy Beaumont, who scored 66 runs, and their captain Heather Knight, who scored 95 runs, and also their number 6 player and the debutant Sophia Dunkley, who made 74 runs. And the top performers from Indian bowlers were Sneha Rana, who took 4 wickets for 131 runs. She was also the debutant. And Deepti Verma, who took 3 wickets for 65 runs. In reply to England's first innings, India were all out for 231 all out. They had a really good opening partnership where both the openers scored very good half centuries. Smriti Mandhana scored 78 and Shafali Verma, their debutant, scored 96. But after that, their team had a collapse and Indian women team was all out for 231. From English bowlers, Sophie Ecclestone was the best performer, taking 4 wickets for 88 runs. Indian batting lineup they have to follow on in this match, and in the second innings they batted quite well, scoring 344 for 8, and then the match ended in a draw. The top performers in second innings for India were Shafali Verma again, 63 runs, Deepti Verma 54, Sneha Rana 80 runs, and the best English bowler was Sophie Ecclestone, who took 4 for 118 in the second innings. So Sophie Ecclestone took total 8 wickets in the match. She was the best bowler in this match. But player of the match was Indian batsman Shafali Verma, who scored very good half century in both the innings. So this match ended in a draw, and after that there was a 3 match ODI series. The first ODI was played on 27th of June. England won the toss and chose to field first. India, batting first, scored 201 runs for the loss of 8 wickets in their 50 overs. Mithali Raj, their captain, top scored with 72 runs, while the best bowler from England was Sophie Ecclestone, who took 3 wickets for 40 runs. In reply, England chased down this total comfortably, scoring 202 runs for the loss of only 2 wickets in only 34.5 overs. Their top performers were opener Tammy Beaumont, who scored 87, and Nat Shaver, who scored 74. Player of the match was Tammy Beaumont, the English opener. In this first match, there were again 2 debutants, one from India, Shafali Verma, and one debutant from England, Sophia Dunkley. In the second ODI, again England won the toss. This was the third time that England won the toss in this tour, and they asked India to bat first. India were all out for 221 runs, where their captain Mithali Raj again top scored with 59 runs, and the best bowler from England was Kate Cross, who took 5 wickets for 35 runs. And England then chased this target In 47.3 overs, they made 225 runs for the loss of 5 wickets. Their top scorer was Sophia Dunkley, who made 73 net out. And the player of the match was English bowler Kate Cross. So England took a lead of 2-0 in this series and won this series in the second ODI. And in the third ODI, for the first time on the tour, India won the toss and they put England onto bat. England were all out for 219 runs. Their top scorer was Nat Sevier, who made 49 runs. And best bowler from India was Deepti Sharma, who took 3 wickets for 47 runs. India had to chase 219 runs in 47 overs. They chased it down with only 3 balls remaining and 6 wickets down. So they won this match by 4 wickets. India scored 24-6 in 46.3 overs. And Mithali Raj again was the top scorer for third time in a row in this series. She made 75 net out. And Mithali Raj was also the player of the match in this match. Mithali Raj was not successful in the Test series, but she really performed well in the ODI series. And player of this ODI series was English bowler Sophie Ecclestone for her consistent bowling performance. So the one Test match ended in a draw, and the ODI series was won by England 2-1. And now T20 series is about to start. And if India can manage to win this T20 series, they will be very happy. And they can then call this tour as a success for them. So let's see what happens in the T20 series. If India can improve their performance on English soil and win this series or not. I'm sure this T20 series will also be very exciting series, just like the Test series and ODI series we had. And in the part 2 of my video, I will be covering the T20 series once the T20 series is over. So let's see how this series goes, what happens in this series. Okay, friends,